If you want to get your window windery off, you just grab a rag and just tuck it up behind so it grabs the back of the handle, and then just roll it around and give it a few tugs. And then the pin pops out. A little pin pops out, make sure you don't lose it. Then to put it back on, just put the clip, slide the clip back onto the handle. Just like that. And then just press it back onto the spline. And it's locked on now, it won't come off. So yeah, just if you want to get it off, rag up and in, roll it around a couple of times. Usually the pin will pull off onto the rag, but yeah, you can just pull the handle off. So that's a nice easy trick to get your door handle off.